is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah.
This program, the program where they call Area Tori, where they come to now from Procyon radio and television. Make una just stay with us. Gloria dey with me here today for studio.
Good morning, good afternoon, or anywhere you dey.
All right. Good morning, good afternoon, or anywhere where una dey, good evening. And the Tori wey we dey carry come today na special Tori. Before them, my name na Sarah Abo. I wan tell una say make una just dey, make una no go anywhere. Today Tori Gloria. Na the Tori of one woman wey be say she dey sit down with landlord. They play Ludo with wrapper for chest. This husband don't tell his wife many times, say, Kai, you know good, you as a married woman, make I come back from work, come see you and landlord, and nobody dey compound around that time. People everywhere, people go dey inside their house. Then you go come carry bench, sit down, put the Ludo for middle. You go sit down for that end, landlord go sit down for this end. Una dey play Ludo. The man even talk say that one no worry am. Say if the woman wear cloth, no worry am. But that wrapper wey she dey tie for chest, na he no wants. But the woman say he no go tell her when to wear clothes. The weather hot and she need fresh air, so she go tie wrapper anytime when she want tie wrapper. No be her husband go tell am when she go tie wrapper or when she no go tie wrapper for chest. He tell her say, I no even want see you with landlord again, dey play Ludo. She no gree. He don tell her many times. So this afternoon now when him dey come back, now he come see the woman sit down for the same bench with landlord, put Ludo for middle, and then they play Ludo. Now the man come tell her say, make you stand up, come up from there. She say, for what? Now the man say, how you go still sit down with wrapper? I don tell you this thing many times. Now the woman come there, I reply her husband. Say, wetin he mean? He mean say no trust her. Now landlord come put mouth inside. Say, oh, so you want accuse me? You want accuse me? If you want accuse me, say something dey between me and your wife because I dey play Ludo. Before you know it, na so argument start. They come dey fight. Neighbors come gather. Neighbors gather. Some dey tell her truth. Say, madam, you no supposed to. Some dey talk say, oga, you for no take am like that. You know say na your landlord. You for no take am like that. The man say, for wetin you no dey pay for the house? They pay. He dey pay. How landlord go dey sit down with him wife? He no understand. Gloria.
My area people agree to now once again. As una dey hear us, another one Tori wey this one e drop like bomb. As una dey hear am so na bombshell. Una open una hear us well well. Make I start with the landlord. Oga landlord, you be foolish man now. Because if you no be foolish man, na tenant, you sit down dey play Ludo, na don become mate. Landlord come down to dey play Ludo with the tenant wife. That is number foolishness wey you do. Hear me well well, you do wrong. You wrong well well. So tell you let your landlord fight your husband because of you. You dey wrong. They go say we not supposed to shout like that, tell una like that. Make we tell una the truth so that una go know. We dey hit the nail on the head though. Knock am well make it enter. You dey wrong. For a woman sef, housewife, to tie wrapper for chest. Oga go work, come back. The first thing your chest. Yes. Does it mean you no bath? That means you no bath since morning when you wake up from bed now. Children don't come out go school. You still tie the wrapper for waist.
Say heat dey worry am.
Heat dey worry you because na only you heat dey worry.
Even if you don baff, now heat dey worry am. So you no go fit wear cloth.
You no fit wear. You no get small glass wey you fit take wear. So you woman dey cover body. Woman housewife dressing different with girl dressing. If you
even girl as you be woman.
As you dey grow come, your mother go say, hey, no wear this one. Because you dey grow come, people dey look and they fit marry you tomorrow. Dress decent. How much more housewife wey born pikin? Husband go work from morning till he come back from work, meet you, tie wrapper for chest. They don't with landlord dey play. Which kind thing be that one? You don't fall our hand now. Don't make us say, now yeye women be. We no be yeye o. We know women be very precious things. That will be. God create us well.
So.
God create women well. Specially made us. We are special people. So no make people make you to become. They tell you say yeye. Why I tell you say you dey very stupid because the way you act. The only foolish people feel act like that. So if you learn lesson. and other people wey dey hear us dey talk for this studio, make una take correction. Housewife no go tie cloth for chest from morning till oga come back and meet you. That means you no dey baff. And una no forget say cleanliness is nearly to godliness. You dey go church, you go know say God like cleanliness, and husband like wife wey look neat. If you no dey clean body, husband no go near you. You dey push am go outside. Make I tell you, that's another thing wey I wan talk inside this matter be that.
You sure say she no clean? This one wey be say the landlord dey sit down with her.
No mind them.
If you no clean, landlord no go sit down near woman wey dey smell now.
Base of the same feather, dem flock together. You no know before you go see when.
So the landlord too go dey thief
that. Say na that kind person. He don dey marry up. They don dey level the same level na dey. You no know say friends and friends. If this friend wey dey, you no like friend wey no dey.
Na true.
Two of them go say, Asha, you no see two of them. Make as dem pass. But if you clean, they go say, no near those people. Now see as two of them they mash. Now so it be. So you see the landlord as you see so. People go work because you get house. You know if you work out for the and go look for your age. Where you go play Lido. Now your tenant, wife. Now it's sweet for you to go sit down play. Okay, the husband go say, this country. Oga, madam, abeg, carry your Lido go. I know them for Wahala. No be me and we go play Lido. If I don't start with you, I don't aim today. I know they play again. Because I don't see say your oga don dey vex.
Yes.
Na better landlord be that.
So.
But this one when landlord go tell the husband say, you dey accuse me of them. Yes. Even we man, we will accuse you too, because their action shows. Their action show. Why you go sit down with the woman, tie wrapper for chest, dey play Lido with her. You dey wrong. No do am again. Other landlord wey una dey hear, even landlady no fit do wetin that landlord do. You get some compound where we do. Landlord, man, hello. Mind your business.
Yes.
Okay, landlord, good morning, sir.
Yes.
Rest a day.
Yes.
Boundary of a. Then I tell my children, I tell people say over.
Familiarity.
Yeah, that's English. Familiarity. If you too do too much, man,
you get as it be.
You get how it be. You go give gap. Even tenant be tenant.
Na so.
You no vex with them. They let there be that gap.
Yes.
Of place you get there, maintain your own respect.
Yes.
Auntie, good morning. Hey, good morning, mama. You don't do too much familiarity. It dey bring problem at the end. Now it be the thing where that landlord and the tenant do so. You see, as the end now, fight don't come in. They go say, landlord, you want take a tenant wife. People go talk am. They always see them. Then they
so do, some people now come they talk say, why the husband go come the vex for landlord?
He get right to vex for the landlord.
Say why he go come the vex for landlord? But some come say he get right to vex for landlord. He know they pay.
They pay the
as
house.
long as they pay for the house.
Na your house.
He get right to control his own family.
Yes.
To talk to his own wife. And now the landlord come marry the wife.
The wife for him.
You understand?
No, so, because carry the wife come enter the house.
Now so you carry the wife come enter the house. So some people come they talk like that, but some can't stand talk the truth. Say landlord not supposed to do like that.
You're supposed to be like that. Landlord with the respect him. Like our landlord with the respect him. Daddy, good morning, sir. Good morning. How una children? You don't end there. You don't go your own. And so it's supposed to be in every family, in every landlord. Something like that.
So this program they come on our way. We want make una they learn small things. Make una they listen to us. I bet me una don't forget to like, subscribe, make una share. We're there for different social media handles. We're there for YouTube, we're there for Facebook, we're there for Instagram, we're also there for TikTok. Anywhere where you type Procyon RTV, you will just see us open there. And you feel they help us, they like other videos where you never liked before. God will bless una. But me una help us, they like our video, make una they share, make una also subscribe if una never subscribe, so that we go they move, they go. And God will bless anybody where also make us move, they go. Gloria, I want to thank you for coming and the wise talk where you can give us today. God bless you. So my name is Sarah Agbo. Now I want to tell you, say me una dey shine like the star where una be.
Where is my shoe? Where is my clothes? Baby, my salad.